Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell, it's very different. I'm going to be doing an Emilia Fart makeup tutorial. It's very simple, but it's very effective, okay? And if I might be moving a little weird, it's because I don't want to move this bandana off of my chin, because this is a staple of Emilia Fart's ensemble, because it hides her supposedly, allegedly, double chins that she has, which I don't know if that's true or not. I want to see, Emilia. Let me see that beautiful chin of yours. I'm going to post a picture now, and this is the picture that is the inspiration for the makeup that I'm doing today. It's one of the most iconic makeup looks that I've seen on YouTube, but I know for sure what she does is, in this video, is that she takes a contour stick of some sort. I'm just using this old dual-ended contour stick by Wet n Wild here, and I'm using the contour side, and she goes in on her cheekbones here and just contours it out. She just really, like, don't be afraid, like, just do it, baby. So next, what I'm going to do is not my eyebrows, baby, because she bleaches her eyebrows, and this is where having blonde eyebrows comes into play for me. See, that's the lines you want on your face, okay? Okay, so I had to actually go take this off because that's not what she does. She takes the contour stick, and then she brings it like a liner. You're obviously not going to be able to get a super precise liner with it because it's like thickums. So just do that and go out like that, and I did it over here too. Just like a liner. This is really, really kind of therapeutic for me because I deal with so much precision all the time when I'm working with makeup and whatnot, and just being able to slap it on like this is actually kind of therapeutic. If she does like a really big rounded shape like this and follows like her all the way up to her eyebrow and follows kind of the natural curvature of her eye. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. She takes the contour stick and draws on brows. And they're kind of like a little arched kind of, so I'm just going to go at the start of my natural brow and then just kind of go down like that. Oh my gosh, this is kind of looking like Emilia a little. What I'm going to do is, oh my god! The cream highlight shade just dropped into my highlighting powder. And then I'm just going to very, very meticulously place this highlighter shade on the other side of the stick, right on below the brow that we drew on. So basically right on top of my eyebrow. You usually would put highlighter like here. And then she puts it right down the middle of her nose, and then there like that. Okay, so I ended up taking the forehead contour off just because that's not what she does in her video. We are not finished yet, bitch. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a dupe that I kind of got from Wet n Wild for I think she uses like Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick for her lipstick that she always uses is like a brown nude. But I'm not going to go buy Kylie liquid lipsticks because they're expensive. She doesn't do a cupid's bow, she just curves it off like that, which is an age-old trick to making your lips look bigger than what they actually are. So I think we are ready. So I'm gonna, like, you know, take you guys with me on this journey. I'm going to live in the body or in the sphere of Emilia Fart for a little while, and let's go. Nothing is keeping you from being you out there in the blue. No one, baby, no one. You do you. If I can wear this out there with this do, then why don't I be Mr. Drew over there? You know, I don't know. You know, that's the question. That's a philosophical question that Aristotle needs to come, rise back up from the dead, and answer me that, riddle me that. She almost fell off. Da, 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 da. I mean, will someone look at you out in the world and give you some looks and be like, do you have an unhealthy obsession with some drag queens out there? Yes, maybe so. But what is it to them? You know, it's me, it's who I am, it's who I wanna be. This is me, I'm exactly where I'm. Copyright, baby. Not today. Confessions. Confession number 1. Sometimes when I look off into the distance, I had a lazy eye. Confession number 2. I always fold my toilet paper. I never scrunch it. Confession number 3. I almost just dropped my camera and shattered it into a million pieces. Confession number 4. Sometimes I contemplate my reasoning for being in the music field, because it literally has no career path that's paved out for you, and you're guaranteed no job. Confession number 5. I like to meditate at least once a day because it seems to really ground me and keeps me from acting like a really, 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 really emotional cancer. Confession number 6. Llamas are my spirit animals. Confession number 7. I was a little terrified to walk outside to do the next confession entrance because my neighbors just walked outside of their door and scared me and thought they were going to rush me because they thought I was a deranged woolly booger. Confession number 8. I actively try to astral travel at least once to 4 to 7 times a week. Confession number 9. I have a new-founded fascination and infatuation with plants. I have acquired 3 plants over the course of the last week. Let me introduce you. Can you focus? There she goes. This is my peace lily. She has 2 blooms. This is my beautiful dracania. And that's my beautiful begonia. Confession number 10. I believe everyone has the right to manifest their own future. We just need to get up on it and claim our life as ours and manifest whatever we want. Okay guys, I just went ahead and washed off the makeup, and I hope that you guys liked this video. I really had a fun time making it, and I just want you guys to know, and Emilia, if you are watching this, it was all coming from a place of love, and it was just a parody. And if anything did for some reason offend you or anything, it wasn't meant to. It was just a place of love. I really admire you, my boyfriend and I do. We really think that you are an icon, and that we think that you being you and you doing what you do is just allowing other people to be who they are and encourage them. And we just want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts, because you have enabled us and showed us that being you is really the only thing that we can do, and the thing that we know that we can't mess up. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And Emilia, I'm looking for the next video that's coming out. I can't wait to watch it. And subscribe and hit the notifications bell on your way out so you're notified every Thursday at noon when I post a video up, and if I ever post any extra videos throughout the week. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!